it.
I love to get on, I love to get to one. When the drink be too strong, when the tree be way too strong. Get me to turn up, rap, pull it on up till I can't even think no more. Get ready to go, come then, we can keep it lit, let's roll.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video here on my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a braid out tutorial. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up and let's get into the video. Okay guys, so I hope that this is in focus because my camera has been being a little weird lately, and whenever I try to focus it, it just like doesn't want to focus. So hopefully it's all looking good for y'all. Firstly, I'm gonna show you guys the products I'm gonna be using, that way you know what I'm using if you want to go get them yourself, and I'm gonna tell you where I got them from. So the first thing that I have is a spray bottle. I got this from eBay for like not $5, maybe like $3, but honestly y'all, I gotta buy a new one because I think maybe I dropped it and so now it doesn't work properly. But it's supposed to be like a mister. You can't see it, but like it comes out, like it squirts out. I don't know, so I have to go buy another one, but I'm gonna be using this today. And I'm gonna use the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Extra Dark oil. I do the LOC method, liquid oil cream, because I need to like I guess regain moisture. My hair is really dry, so I use this. And I mentioned in my last hair video that this is good for like if you want to grow your hair out or just like moisturize your hair. This is it right here. So I have this one and it's like almost gone, but we're gonna use this today. For products, I'm gonna be using the Cream of Nature Curl Repair Leave-In. I literally live by this product. I use it all the time. I've purchased it maybe 3 times now, maybe 2-3 times, but yeah, I got it from the beauty supply store and it's just like a leave-in cream. For my styler, I'm going to be using the Texture ID styling cream. I live by this as well. I've purchased it about 2 times. You can only get it at Sally's, the website, or in stores. So I have this, and we're going to use a little brush, that way I can detangle my hair properly, and that is it. My hair has been in this bun for about an hour. I washed it like an hour ago, so it's a little crazy, y'all. Don't come at it, okay? It's looking a little rough. Yeah, the first thing that I normally do is I section my hair. So I like part it down the middle, which my hair is already parted because I have a natural like middle part, I feel like, but I am gonna go in with my nails since they're long. I'm gonna just part it, but you can do this now or later. I just forgot to get me a comb, so yeah, you don't have to do a middle part. I do my braid outs in middle parts just because I just have never tried a side part. But like I said, you can really do whatever you would like. So once your hair is parted however you want it, I'm gonna go split it down the middle, and it doesn't really matter, it doesn't have to be like straight. And I'm gonna put one side up. I normally do this side first all the time, so I'm gonna do this side again, and I'm gonna put this side into a ponytail. I start from the back. A lot of people start from the top, but I start from the back, y'all. I have like these weird curl patterns over here, like I don't know, I'm getting weird vibes from my hair. Ever since I flat ironed it, I have like 3 different hair patterns. I have like 4A, then we got some 3C, like it's just a bunch of weird stuff, and I'm really not feeling it, but it's okay. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna be doing is kind of just spraying it with my water bottle because like I said, my hair is like really dry. When I do styles like this, like flexi rods or braid outs or whatever, I like to make sure that my hair is like drenching wet. So actually I probably need a towel. There's one right there. I like to make sure that my hair is like drenching wet, just because, you know, if it's not wet, the product doesn't really go on there as nicely. So it looks like there's nothing coming out, but I promise you that it is. This spray bottle is just being so weird, and I paid like so much money for it to act like this, so I'm really upset right now. But yeah, make sure y'all get the ends. Okay, so now that my hair is pretty much wet, I'm gonna go in with my little detangler. I got this from Sally's as well. It's like a little egg, and I literally love this thing. Yeah, I love it so much. I've tried like the Tangle Teaser, but that wasn't really good for me. So all I'm gonna be doing is just detangling it. That's probably the key thing for me to get like really good braid outs or really good flexi rod sets, is making sure that my hair is thoroughly, and when I see, look at how this curl is, it's like ugh, I'm so irritated, but making sure that my hair is like thoroughly detangled, like from the ends up to the roots. And I start from the ends and work my way up. You never want to like start here and go down. You go up. and do it like that. But yeah, I make sure that it's thoroughly detangled, because if it's not, then when I go to take it down, it'll be really like frizzy and stuff, and like I'm telling you, all those little things play a part in it. So now I'm gonna get started with putting in my products. Like I said, I do liquid oil cream. So my water was a liquid, and now we have my leave-in cream, which I already talked about this. Daria from the future. So in the video I said liquid oil cream, the LOC method, but what I really meant was liquid cream oil, the LCO method. A little crazy. It's okay. Yeah, just want to clear that up. So I don't really have a preference. People say use a dime size amount. I literally use whatever I want. Like, I will keep going in with the same product if I want to. It's just whatever. So I'm not going to tell you how much of a product to use. You can see how much I'm using, and now I'm going in with the styling cream. You can see how much I'm using, and you can do it like that. But like I said, I do it however much I want. That whole dime size thing just don't work for my thick type 4 hair. So yeah, no shade to any girl that does that. It's just I personally, I cannot do my hair that way. So that's how it looks. I'm gonna put a little bit more of the styling cream on there, and I keep, as you guys see, I'm gonna keep going in and detangling it, because it has to be thoroughly. I mean, I cannot stress enough, if it's not detangled, y'all, what's the point of this style? Like, what is the point? Okay, so now it comes into braiding. Now I am probably not the best to explain to you how to braid. I'll link some videos down below on how to braid if you don't know how. I can try to zoom in and show you, but like I said, I'm not good at explaining it. But basically, I literally just take 3 sections, and then I start from the back section, grab the second piece, and add it. Like, y'all, I can't explain. I'm so sorry. Like I said, I'll put some videos down below, because I really cannot explain it. So I keep going in with products, because like I said, I don't want it to be dry, and I keep detangling it as well, just to make sure that it's not tangled. Because when it's like those little pieces of hair that be stuck or tangled or whatever, like, it really will make the whole outcome of this style not be the way that I want it to be. And then I'll leave like about 1 inch off, and I'm gonna be twisting this. So I take some more cream on my finger, put it right there, and then I'm going to be doing the coil method, where I lock in the braid. So if you have like heat damage, or if you're transitioning, because I transitioned, I didn't do a big chop. What I had to do is I literally had to like cut little pieces of my hair off where it was straight at. And that's what I did in order to be able to get this, because when you take your hair down, it's going to be like a little curl at the end. You need that little curl. So if you are transitioning, braid out may not be the best style, maybe flexi rods. But if you know, are pretty like, you know that your ends of your hair, it doesn't look like all like ragged and everything, you should be fine with this. So this is how the braid looks in the end, nice and sleek, and that's just how it should look. That was me like thoroughly describing or explaining how to do the braid. Now I'm gonna just do it and play some music, and y'all can watch, because you know that I'll probably come back on this side and show it one more time. But that's pretty much that. So now I'm gonna just start doing it. If you don't got music playing while you do your hair, what are you doing? I'm gonna do some Ariana Grande. I've been like listening to like all her music lately. I don't know what that's about, but we gonna do that. Let me stop.
High volume.
I just remembered that I forgot to put the oil on my hair. Yeah, that's a little upsetting. Okay, so after I put the cream on, I put on the oil. I just mentioned that I do the LOC method, and then here I am forgetting the whole method and not even doing LOC, just doing LO. What is wrong with me? I have no idea. On this I do take a dime size, because you know this is expensive and I ain't got time to be wasting it. So I just like tap it on my finger, and I use that much and just put it on that section to add shine to it. Y'all, I can't believe I forgot to explain that. I'm so sorry. All right, back to the little montage of me not talking, because that was, I'm so sorry.
But baby,
whole hairstyle is like a whole workout, okay? I am one side almost done. I have one more braid to do. I'm gonna show y'all, and a girl is tired, okay? I've been doing this for about 30 minutes now and I'm tired.
But you never could imagine, never thought you could have it. You
Okay guys, so I am all done. As you guys can see, both sides are done. This side is a little bit more dry, so it's a little shorter, but this side is a little, well, it's still wet. Obviously they're both still wet, but as you can see, there's a little bit of difference in the length. But I am finally done. That just took me about an hour. I didn't really time myself. I probably should have, but I kind of took breaks here or there by listening to music or going to give me something to eat, stuff like that. So in total though, for as far as time, it takes me about an hour to do this hairstyle. It's probably the quickest style out of all of them. The only styles I do are flexi rods, wash and goes, and braid outs. And braid outs I love because they are so like time consuming. They're not time consuming. That's what I like about them. They're not time consuming and they're really cute. So this takes about, I say about 10 hours to dry. So if you do it like late at night, you can let it dry and take it out in the morning. So that's what I'm gonna do. So tomorrow I will come back and show you guys the finishing product. Well, you guys kind of already seen it in the intro, but I'm gonna come back to y'all and I'll see you guys tomorrow. That was cringy. I'm so sorry. Okay guys, so I just thought I should go in depth about me taking down this braid. So when I take down my braids, I make sure that I'm very careful and that I add oil to it, because if you guys are rough and just taking it down and get done with it, it will turn out like trash. You see how it's nice and defined and everything? You have to take your time. So I have one more braid, which is this right here. I'm going to take this down for you guys on camera. That way you can see exactly how I do it. So I take some oil on my fingers and just do like that. Get a little bit and put it all over the braid. I'm looking right here because it's a mirror right here. And then I take it down, but the way I take it down is I try to find how I did the braid and then I just go backwards. Sorry, my phone is going off, but I just go backwards. That way I know that I won't have any frizz and it'll be very like defined and stuff. Okay, so now I'm all done taking it down and now I have to separate my hair. So I literally just go in random places and I'm going to separate each curl. Okay you guys, I'm trying to hurry up. My battery is flashing. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is taking my pick, which looks like I got it from Sally's as well. This video is not sponsored by Sally's, but they got everything. So I got it from Sally's. And I'm going to just be picking my hair out to make it look bigger. I focus mainly on the roots instead of the ends because that makes it more frizzy. But I'm going to just be picking it to make it look as big as possible. And yeah. The final and last step is I do my edges. So I'm going to be using the green olive oil eco styler gel, and I'm literally just going to do the edges that are right here on top that you can actually see. I'm going to try to put my mirror here, that way I can look straight and that way you guys can actually see what I'm doing. But yeah. Okay guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. I'm sorry I'm rushing, my battery is flashing. I love you guys so much and I will see you guys next time in a new video. Bye guys. Mwah. Shush!
They take pictures, pictures, just to show them to your bitches, bitches, so you can make them jealous.